The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, man, I may call you back. No, my credit soon done. Text me. All right. Yo. Every set. Wish boss. Cut on.
I'm new to the area. Ask the man here.
Yo, big man. Wish boss. Cut on.
My youth, are you the man I talk to? It's a simple question I ask. Understand, no? You dumb?
Yo, me no low, friend, you know. I wish boss, me ask you. Go to me,
It's a simple question the man I ask you. Answer him, no? You're deaf or you're dumb? A big disrespect, that man.
Yo. Me hands up, I think me mama. I'm at him.
I'm at him, really, I'm at you. Shock the boy. Shock him. Shock him. Yeah, shock back the boy. Box him then. Shock him. Box him down. Let him down. Defend it. Shock back the man. Your man or your mascot. You make a man just come here and shock him. You're not defend it. Yeah.
No.
Officer, come here. Quick, come.
Yo.
Officer, I tell you when I look good self, and the man them just come on and just start bomb rush me, and then all of a sudden they walk and fight over me.
Go on. Yes, sir.